Hi everyone, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to give you a tour of a standard resort view room at Disney's BoardWalk Inn. So as we first walk into the room, off here to our right, you can see we have a series of closets. This first one has some shelving, a garment steamer and a hair dryer, a safe, and a couple more shelves. This next set of closets here is all one very large space. We have several pieces of luggage in here. They all fit really nicely. There's also some space for, of course, hanging storage. I also really love that each of these is a full-size mirror, and it really gives some nice light to this room. As we come further into the room, this is the little snack bar area. You can see there is some boardwalk art here. Mickey and Minnie down there having a picnic. Keurig brand coffee maker, and it does come equipped with K-cups and other accessories for coffee. Down here is a beverage cooler that gets down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're gonna need cooler storage than that, you are gonna need to reach out to the front desk and make sure that you request that. You can see here off to the left of the snack bar, there are the option to request adjoining rooms. Over here to my left, you will see the bathroom. You move this bathroom door so that you can see the whole space here. Double sinks. Really nice storage underneath. Some more beautiful boardwalk themed artwork here. So cute. We also have a full-length mirror here on the back of the door. And in here is our water closet. This is where, of course, the toilet and also the shower tub combo are going to be located. Coming out here into the heart of the room, you can see cute kind of Victorian turn of the 20th century inspired Disney art there. Two beautiful queen size beds. Love the headboards on these. Also plenty of storage underneath there for even more luggage. Lots of charging options here in this room, as you can see. Several different ports there. Nice big dresser here underneath the television. This room does have the Hey Disney functionality here, even more charging. And over here we have a twin size pull down bed, so this room will accommodate up to 5. Above this sofa we have even more boardwalk themed artwork. Over here we've got what looks like just a standard lamp, but when we turn it on, hidden Mickeys. We also have some silhouettes here of Disney characters on the curtains. Beautiful view of the courtyard outside. Nice little chair over here with a hidden Mickey right there in the middle. And I'll give you another view of this side of the room. So again, this is a resort view 2 queen at Disney's BoardWalk Inn. For more information or to book this room for your family, reach out to me for free vacation planning assistance at gingermmt.com.